Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is, you can see here, this is twin tub brand wise icon 10 kg washing machine. This one having problem, actually the machine is working but with the load, with the fabric, customer not able to wash the fabric because it's making loud noise from the machine. Now we have to check what is the exactly problem and we will go to the check-in process. Also I will show you how to repair this one. Now I already given power connection. Also I will select spin cycle here. You can hear the noise. Spin cycle is perfect. Brake also working, no problem. And now I will go for the wash cycle. You can see, dear friends, it is rotating motor, everything, but as per the customer, he informed to us with the load, with the fabric, machine not rotating, it's making loud noise. Now how we can check? We will try to catch this one, and now you can see here clockwise and anti-clockwise machine rotating motor. Now this side is okay, you can see it is load taking, but clockwise is not working properly, it's making loud noise. That's why now this is the problem with this machine. Anti-clockwise is okay, but problem with the clockwise is already gear assemble already gone. This is now what we can do. We have to remove the pulse stator first. After that we have to remove the gear assemble. After that only we can resolve this issue. Now we will remove the pulse stator first. We will disconnect the power. And we will remove the pulsator first. Now we can take it out. So like that we can take out. We can take it out like that. You can see, dear friends, it is clutch assemble shaft. With the shaft is already came out, but it should come, if it's not the normal, it should come like that. Now you know what is the problem with the pulsator. Is okay, no issue, but we have to replace the gear assemble. Now we have to lay down the machine here. We will lay down the machine here. We already lay down the machine here. Now I have to remove here this one. Now dear friends, this is the wash motor, also V-belt. We have to remove the V-belt first. I will remove the V-belt here. I already removed. Now we have to take it out I'm going to take it out gear assemble. Because of that we have to remove here screws are here. After that we can take it. It is easy. Now you can see, dear friends, here no need to remove all the screws. Now we can take it out. Actually here with screws we can enter the screwdriver from here to there. It's like that, you can see here like this. And now we will remove here one by one. Screws are here, you can see here. Fish now. Okay. Now I remove all the 4 screws. Now we can now you can see, dear friends. Now I can take it out, gear assemble. This is the problem. Here 4 screws I already unscrew. I can take it out. After that we can complete the job. We are not able to repair this one. We have to replace. We will replace new one. After that our problem will get resolved. Now I am going to replace new one, gear assemble. You can see here. Also that screw also I am going to replace because it is already corroded. Now I am going to replace these screws, the same size, same thread. Because of that, actually nothing to worry, we can replace that one also. Now we have to enter from here to there. Now I am entering here and it will come like that, mounting. It is the same one. Now I am going to remove the pulley because it's easy to fix all the screws properly. Because of that I am going to remove this. I already removed. Now it's easy. Now we can fix here. We fix properly. Now we have to fix pulley. You can fix like that here. And this check nut we have to fix properly, actually, otherwise yes dear, that one also finished. Now we have to fix V belt with the gear assemble. After that we have to fix all the screws with the mount bottom. Not fixing properly because here we have to fix all the screws now. After that we have to adjust belt. Okay, now we can check V belt here. Now it's okay, no problem. Now we will check the pulsator. Dear friends, I already fixed gear assemble. Now I have to fix pulse stator. We have to clean here. After that we will fix this one. Now finally I'm going to fix pulse stator here. We have to tie it properly. Yes dear, it's okay. Now you can check, we can check here. We will give the power connection thing here. Spin wash cycle. We can check. Yes dear. Now we can check here. It's not like that. This is new one. Now it is my already completed my job. Now it's okay. You can check. Now it's okay my dear. Machine is working fine. This is new one. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.